How to enable face lock on your Facebook Messenger. So for that, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First step is that you have to navigate to your setting. Under your setting, just scroll down and go for your Face ID and passcode. And here you have to provide your passcode first of all. After that, here you can see the other app option and here you can see the Messenger app. So just go back and here you have to add your Face ID first of all. After adding your Face ID, just go back and navigate to your Messenger. Under your Messenger, you have to tap on the three dot or hamburger option and tap on your gear icon. And just go for your privacy and safety. Under your privacy and safety, you can see the app lock. So it's required your Face ID or passcode to unlock your Messenger. And you can still reply to messages from your notification and answer calls while Messenger is locked. So your Face ID is not transmitted to or stored by Meta. Here you can change it at any time. Just go and toggle this on and you can see that. And just go and set your Face ID and just go back and tap on the down option. After that, you have to simply go and swipe off your messenger and then you have to just open up your messenger. So that's it. You have successfully enabled the face lock on your Facebook Messenger like this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.